is inaccurate financial tracking costing you time and money. We're here to show you how to precisely adjust amounts in Clockify. First, let's tackle hourly rates. Navigate to your Workspace Settings. You'll usually find this by clicking on your profile picture or workspace name in the top corner and then selecting Workspace Settings. Look for a tab labeled Rates. Click here. This section allows you to set and modify hourly rates for your entire workspace, or even specific users. To change a specific user's rate, find their name in the list, and you will see a box with a number in it. Click the number in that box to edit and enter the new rate. Be sure to save your changes. Now, let's move on to project budgets. Go to your project list, usually found in the sidebar. Click on the specific project you want to adjust. You may have to click Edit. Within the project settings, locate the budget field here. You can modify the project's overall budget in terms of either time or money. Type the new budget amount into the specified field, and don't forget to save. Finally, let's talk about billable amounts for specific time entries. Find the time entry you want to adjust. Click on that entry to open it. For editing, make sure the time entry is marked as billable by using the slider, and adjust the billable amount, if needed, directly within the entry details. Again, save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to modify amounts in Clockify. Keeping these settings accurate will ensure smoother financial tracking and more efficient project management.